class. So this is my friend Sadie, and she's a professional dancer, and she's here to teach you a little bit about the differences between modern dance and ballet. So here's one of the routines she knows in modern dance, and we'll talk about a little bit about it afterwards.
Gentle ground, I waited for you in drops of dew. I wish that were you with heavy hands. I reached out for you, my skin soaking wet.
Alright, and now she's going to teach you a little bit about ballet and just basic steps that we can use in it.